Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Wednesday, November 4th. It's so good to be here today. Well, I stayed up way too late watching election coverage last night. I wish I could give you an update right now during morning assembly, but I think we better just talk about it later. Also, I recorded this last week, so I don't know what happened yet. Anyways, if you want to talk about the election results, local results, national results, let's talk about that later. I'll tell you this, I really did stay up too late watching that last night. So it's Wednesday, and I want to talk about habits of success again. And I want to tell you a little something silly that happened at my house this morning and how I kind of had to use some habits of success to deal with that. But first, let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You can go ahead and have a seat. I'll give you a second to get settled. So here's what happened. And this is going to sound kind of silly, but in life, dealing with the little things is really important because if you don't deal with them, they add up to be big things. So you might have had something like this happen before. I got up this morning. I had my cup of coffee. And usually I get up and kind of noodle around on the guitar a little bit, drink my coffee, just relax. And then it was time to get ready for school. And I went in the kitchen and I poured myself my bowl of Cheerios, got my spoon out, put the Cheerios away, walk over to the refrigerator, pull out the milk, and there's no milk. Like none. Not a drop, not even a carton, not even an empty carton, just out of milk. And I was thinking, like, that's kind of funny because at different times in my life, a little thing like that could have possibly thrown me off and made for a really bad day, right? But I'm getting a little older and I'm learning how to deal with these things. So I walked over, I'm like, that's fine. Get the Cheerios back out, dump the bowl back into the box. Hopefully that's not gross to anybody, but you know what? I'm paying for this stuff. I can't just waste a bowl of Cheerios. So I'll make a piece of toast, a little bit of peanut butter and jelly on it. I love that. It's not what I wanted this morning, but I can deal with it. So I go get the toaster out, pop my bread in the toaster, go while my bread's toasting, go get my peanut butter and jelly out, and the only thing we have is creamy peanut butter. Oh my goodness. I know some of you are creamy peanut butter fans. There actually was a completely empty crunchy peanut butter container in the cupboard. I don't like creamy peanut butter. It's gross. It's creepy. It's too sweet for early in the morning, and it doesn't have like the peanuts in it. Anyways, once again, I just kind of dealt with it, right? I actually ended up using a little bit of creamy peanut butter, even though it's not my favorite. So my scenario for you this morning is this. What do you do when you wake up and you don't have the breakfast that you normally eat? Which one of these habits of success would get me through this? And I know this one sounds kind of silly, and you can just phrase it as giving me some advice. What should Mr. Right have done? I'll tell you later if you want to know, because I actually did use a couple of these strategies this morning. But tell me, which strategies should Mr. Right use? And if you think this is like too silly or weird, I'm going to tell you this. There's nobody who's listening to this, not eighth graders, not adults, who is too old to be bigger than this kind of small issue, because in life, there really are little things that can throw you off and really, really mess up your day. And students, you can ask your teachers about this because they've probably all had this happen. You know, if I didn't deal with this very well this morning, which I'm glad that I did, and then I came to school and something bad happened, and then on my way home from school, you know, get a scratch on my truck in the parking lot or something, like each of those things by themselves is little, but when they add up, like it can really set you back for a while and make you not feel well. So help me out today. How should I deal with this small issue of wellness? Do I need to use some agency, attachment, resilience, sense of belonging, maybe some stress management? Raise your hand and let your class know, which habit of success should I use to deal with my breakfast issues this morning? Have a great day, Achieve.